Most people feel weird about selling. They think it's pushy or even unethical. But here's the truth. Selling is one of the most generous things you can do if your offer actually helps people. Now let's flip the way you think about selling. If your offer solves a real problem, it saves someone's time, stress, or pain, then not selling it is actually selfish. You're not asking for money, you're offering a way forward. Selling is not about pressure, it's not about chasing people, it's about serving. Selling is about saying, hey, I figured out this. Want my help? That's not being pushy, that's being helpful. If your offer can help someone feel better, get faster results, then your job is to let them know. Here's the mindset shift I want you to make. Selling is not taking, it's giving. Selling is not convincing, it's inviting. Selling is not pressure, it's leadership. Stop hiding your offer, stop apologizing for your price, and stop thinking selling is something bad. If you truly believe in what you do, selling becomes an act of service. In the next video, I'll give you exact DM script so you can reach out to people, invite them to work with you. Subscribe now, and I'll see you there.